In this video, I want to show you how to install and also how to replace the ink cartridges in your Canon PIXMA TR160. If you want to get some of these from Amazon, I have put links down below, so check them out. So the first thing we need to do is to make sure that the printer is turned on. So I'll open this panel and I'll press the power button. If it's the first time you're using this printer, you'll have to select the language using the OK and the arrows to confirm by pressing yes. If it's not the first time you're using the printer, after turning it on, you can go ahead and open this panel with the Canon logo. You're going to notice that this small carriage will be presented to you. This is why the printer needs to be turned on. If you didn't already do it, you have to install the print heads. This is how it looks. It came included in the box. So to install the print heads, you simply have to remove the small orange protectors. We don't need it anymore. Make sure to never stick your fingers anywhere on this surface or anywhere over there. And now what you need to do is to open the small metal bracket. You see, I have simply pinched it on the side and pull it up. Now take the print heads. You're going to notice there is an arrow and there is also another arrow right over here. We simply need to match those two arrows. Just like that. The print heads are now installed. If you want to put the cartridges, all you have to do, let's start with the color ink cartridges, Canon 36. You're going to remove this protector. Again, we don't need it anymore. And it's very important to install the color one on the left side and the black one always on the right side. Never mix them up. So take this ink cartridge. You're going to notice there's again a small triangle on the top. It means that the triangle needs to be with the other triangles. It needs to point in front. Simply glide, put it in place, and then press where it says push on the cartridge. This will lock it in place. Do the same thing for the black ink cartridge. Put it and simply push it to lock in place. Next time you want to replace them, you simply have to unlatch it by pressing the latch and then grab it and remove it. This is how you install and replace the ink cartridges. Once you're done, don't forget to put back this small bracket until it clicks in place. And you know that you're done when these lights on the cartridges itself are lit up. Don't worry, even if it's red, it simply means that they are properly installed. When time comes to replace them, you don't have to open the whole bracket. You simply have to do what I showed you previously. The metal bracket is simply to maintain the print heads in place. Anyway, once you're done, simply close this lid and the printer will recognize automatically that you have input new ink cartridges. Thanks for watching. Again, check my Amazon links if you want to get replacement ink cartridges compatible with this Canon portable printer, and I'll see you in the next video.